Over the past 12 months, the subsea connectivity sector has seen a real surge in growth, with a raft of innovative projects being green-lighted in 2018, and even more to come in 2019. We're here at the newly expanded Submarine Networks EMEA event to bring you the latest developments in the subsea sector from Europe, the Middle East and Africa. So what are the key trends that are developing in the marketplace today?
I think one of the most interesting trends I'm seeing in the market right now is the ongoing development of the relationship between traditional carriers, operators, some of which have been in the submarine industry for years and years and years, and some who are relatively new, like Submarine Networks, and the hyperscalers or content providers, and not just the big 3 or 4, but the next Google, the next Facebook, the next whoever it might be. Because to be honest, who knows what's coming next in the world of social media and online content. But that relationship, the ongoing development of that relationship, I think is key to a lot of things that we're seeing that are positive in the industry, but also key towards fixing some of the challenges we've got internally within our industry today.
So at Sienna, what we're seeing is there's a lot of drive to push maximum capacity through the submarine cable systems. This started off with a look at L-band technology, and what we're starting to see now is cable designs being designed with a lower SNR, but actually trying to maximise the total capacity on the cable, not so much the total capacity in a fibre pair, and how that will work with L-band as well. And maximising the total capacity of the cable rather than what we traditionally looked at, which the maximum capacity in a fibre pair.
We are experiencing the era of the OTT, the so-called OTT, the over-the-top. They are the driver in this moment of this market in terms of demand, or in terms of investment, or related investment. And they are moving, pushing the market in order to, let's say, satisfy their demand. And the carriers are following them, and this is the trend that is still keep moving. And we see that this trend will keep continue for at least 2-3 years, unless there will be new business model or new players that will come in the market. But at the state in this moment will remain the same.
So we're seeing a huge amount of demand still in the subsea market. There's an enormous amount of capacity being built. We're seeing the following of Moore's Law. We're seeing more capacity required at lower costs, and that driving the industry forward. Interestingly, there is no longer a real requirement for huge amounts of capacity on single fibres. We're seeing much larger systems with much larger fibre counts, but with lower power and lower capacity amplifiers on each fibre cable.
Things like this, we get the opportunity to meet each other and collaborate and talk. The industry is all about collaboration, and you need to come and talk to folks that are doing projects. You think you might understand what's new until you come to a conference like this, and you start realizing there's many more projects than you realized before.
An event like Submarine Networks EMEA enables us to get one key thing from my personal objective, which is insight. There's so many knowledgeable, up-to-date people on new systems, new technologies at an event like this. You go away after 2 days having really got a wonderful amount of insight from the other delegates.
An event like this one, to the Submarine Conference, is especially useful for us. It's the networking aspect. It's also being exposed to what the operators see as pain points, seeing what the manufacturers want to do, and we can share our technology. It's really a sharing experience. That's what matters the most to us.